Optimize your Laravel application using Laravel Debugbar. Laravel Debugbar is a Laravel package that will help you optimize and check how many queries you send, how much views you use, how much components did you call while you are building Laravel applications. It is very easy to get started with this. All we need is just copy the composer command from here. This link will be given in the description below. Copy this command and paste it in your terminal. This will install Laravel Debugbar in your application. You will see here is it. This is the default view of Laravel Debugbar. It shows messages, timeline, how much time it takes to load exceptions, views, how much views we load while in this login form. So here's the auth login.blade, application logo.blade, auth session status, labels, input. All these views are loaded, components are loaded while in this login page. And it provides routes, which route is called, in which controller is it, in which middleware are used, which request did we send, and queries, how much queries, because in the login we are just viewing the in the blade file, so we are not making any query. Model, which model we use, we did not use anyone. Session and request, it shows all the information. Now let's register a user and see what's going to happen. Now if I'm registered now, so let's see. We got one query. It selects store from user where ID is 1, so it shows the query that is sent to the SQL server, and model, which model we are using. We are using user model, and which is one query. And we are again loading 9 views, and here they are showing some other information about this: memory usage and request duration, how much time it takes, and it also shows the PHP version that we are using. So very helpful package. It will help you optimize your application while you are developing it, and it will help you know how much queries do you send, how much time it takes to load a particular model or a particular request, how much time a particular request takes. As you can see, they are showing here, and they are also shows the message, and we can search for something as well here. So go ahead and check them out. Link will be in the description below.